So this is what I use for green manure, is my chickweed. A lot of green material, and it's healthy. It's edible even. You can put it in a salad. You could look it up as well on what kind of nutrition chickweed has, but you could eat this. You could eat this stuff. So Sean's eating it right now.
What does it do?
I don't know what it does. How's it taste? Good. And I just go through and I chop up all the chickweed, and I have a lot more over there and a lot more over here. So I'll do a close-up so you can see what it looks like. So that's what they look like right here. I wait for the bees to come pollinate, then I shake the plant, and if I hear seeds drop, you can't hear it on camera, but I could hear seeds drop. So it's time to start chopping this down, letting it compost in place. And the seeds that drop on the garden floor will come back up next late winter, early spring. Okay, just keep doing it. I'll be right back. So right over here, we have some that are going to seed readily right now. Let me show you what that looks like. Maybe it shows up on the camera. Let's see. Let's see here. There they are. Come on, more. You see all the... You see all that? So by the hundreds, well, I don't know, probably thousands, tens of thousands, that this will drop. You see them? And just put it right back in place. This is the Vernon sapote right here. Just doing really well, by the way. Now the whole family's coming out. Lulu is getting excited because everybody's coming out. And the baby, Sean said. So that's my tip about weeds. Not all weeds are bad. It's part of nature, and it's an easy ground cover. Edible, can compost to great manure, green manure. So this is chickweed again. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. I got to get to work.